Hi class, my name is Dr. Brenda Fry and I'm the professor for the group theory class. I'm very excited to be teaching this class and I hope you're gonna really enjoy it. Group therapy is something that I have a lot of experience with. My background is in forensic and clinical psychology, and I've ran or facilitated groups with the criminal population for close to 20 years now. So this is near and dear to my heart, and I really enjoy teaching this class, so I'm hoping you'll enjoy it as well. I really want to just get started with an intro to the course. And so I think what's going to be really helpful for you to get going is make sure you review the syllabus, look through the course Canvas, the course in Canvas, sorry, and just make sure that you're kind of setting up a rhythm for yourself. Like, you know, a few times a week you're getting into the class, you're sort of making sure you do assignments on a couple of days a week, you're looking at deadlines every week to make sure that you're not missing anything. I will occasionally add some things to the course. I'm going to be updating some lectures for the class as well, so those will be going in on a week-to-week basis, so make sure you're getting those. There are PowerPoints in the class already, so you can review those. They coincide with the chapters, so those will just kind of help, I think, to facilitate your learning of the content. Really, we want in this first portion of class to kind of look at what is a group, what is group counseling, what are some of the specific goals around group counseling, and what does the research tell us about what makes a group really effective. And so we'll want to be kind of tuning into some of that. What are some of the advantages of group for some different populations, like maybe a criminal population or children or adolescents or college students or elderly or people with specific types of illness? What might be some of the advantages to them doing some of their treatment in a group process? And so just looking at goals and format, structure, process, and focus. So that's going to be kind of the earlier part of the course to kind of look at that. And so, yeah, just dive right in. The other thing I want to clue you into is a couple of your assignments in the class. So one of them will require you to find an outside group so that you can write a reaction paper about that group. So this group can be a support group. It can be a group. If you're in a group, you can use that. And you don't have to disclose a lot about why you might be in a group, but you can certainly use a group if you're in group therapy yourself, or if you have been in the past, you can use that for your reaction paper as your kind of experience of being in group. Otherwise, you can attend like a support type group, which is like an AA or an NA or OA or SAA, some of those anonymous types of groups. So if you can find one of those, and it can be remote, if you have to log in remotely, that's fine. It'd be better if you could join in person nowadays, but if that's just not possible or they're not running those groups that way, then that's fine. If you can find an agency that does group therapy and they will allow a student to sit in, that would be really a great experience for you. They're very different than the support groups that you'll probably most likely be able to sit in. But I want you to just feel what it's like to be in a group and kind of talk about what that was like and what was going on and what was the intention of the group and what were the members of the group maybe experiencing, or what did you notice? And so what principles and theories did you see happening in that group? So just be thinking about that so that you can get your outside group reaction paper started, because you'll have a few parts to that, meaning that you need to attend a group. So I want you to kind of get going on that and start looking to see where you're going to be able to attend. So that's really it. I want to just introduce myself and introduce you to the class and welcome you. I hope we have a really wonderful semester, and I hope you enjoy this class. I really, like I said, love group therapy. I think it's very powerful, and I think we'll kind of see that as we look at some of the different theories around group process. So let's have a great semester.